everyone and welcome to day 4. So for day 16 I'm going to be cutting down another pocket letter to 2x2 and including two ATCs which are 2.5 by 3.5. For day 17, we're going to be making a waterfall page. So I'm going to be using this red satin ribbon that comes with the kit. And on this 8x6 piece of cardstock, I'm going to lay some tape down, which is going to secure the ribbon behind the matted paper. The mat layer to this page is 7 3/4 by 5 3/4. Now I'm going to add the waterfall pages, and for this you'll need 5 pieces of cardstock that measure 4 1/4 by 4 inches, and along the 4 1/4 side you need to score at 1 inch. You will also need a piece of cardstock that measures 4 inches by 3 1/4, and the mats for these pages measure 3 3/4 by 3 inches, and you will need 6. Now that I've decided in which order I want my waterfall to go in, I'm going to start with the top flap, and I'm going to make sure that I line it up at the top of the page and central to the ribbon. For the rest of the flaps, I aligned the top flush with the tab of the one above, ending with the last one which has no tab. For day 18, I'm using the reverse of day 17, and I'm going to mat and layer this using a piece that measures 7 3/4 by 5 3/4. For this, I'm going to be creating a Santa belly band. So I'm using a piece of cardstock that measures 7 inches by 1 3/4, and I'm going to score at 1/2 inch on each end. I'm then going to take a piece of yellow cardstock which measures 2.5 by 1 3/4, and then for the buckle in the center I'm going to use the same green cardstock that measures 1 3/4 by 1 1/4. To prevent anything from falling out of the bottom, I'm going to use this Minnie Mouse bow die with a little strip of cardboard along the bottom, just to stick at the end so that anything doesn't fall out. For days 19 and 20, I've created a 7 by 5 inch tag. I used the green cardstock from the kit, and on one side I'm going to decorate it using the design paper, which I cut at 7 inches by 5, and then I'm just going to cut the corners off after I've stuck the tag onto the paper. On the other side I have decorated it using the stamps from the kit. To finish the tag off, I'm just decorating it using the little scraps left over from the red satin ribbon, and I'm also going to be using a couple of the Minnie Mouse bow dies just to finish it off. For day 21, I'm going to be making another pocket page. For this, I'm going to use a piece of cardstock that measures 8 by 6, and I'm going to match that with a piece that measures 5 3/4 by 4 1/2. For the pocket, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock that measures 7 by 4 1/2, and I'm going to score that at 1/2 inch on 3 sides. The mat layer for this pocket measures 5 3/4 by 3 3/8. I'm also going to include washi along the top end of the pocket. For day 22, I'm using the reverse of day 21, and I've just decorated it using the stamps that come with the kit. For this page, we are creating mini tag memories, and to do this, I have cut 8 tags to 2 5/8 by 1 3/4 inches, and I'm just going to punch a little hole at the top of each one using the small hole punch on my crocodile. To give the tag some movement, I'm using the brads through the hole, and then I'm applying hot glue to the back of the brad pins and then securing that to the page. Now that I've finished creating my pages, I'm going to use my hole punch guide to create the hole so that I can add it onto the book ring and to the rest of the pages in the December daily. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video as we made pages 16 to 22 for the December daily. If you like any of the products and dies that I've used in this December daily so far, please do go down to the description box where you'll find links to where to shop and how to get in contact with Lesley's Crafts and Gifts. And I will see you all again tomorrow for day 5, where I'll be working on pages 23 to 25 and also looking at some Disney inspired embellishments that I've also made for this.